Let's talk a little bit about Groundwork. For viewers who aren't familiar with Groundwork, what markets do you play in and what business challenges do you solve?
Oh, great question, Joe. So Groundwork is in the business of really making solutions that enable people to know exactly what's going on in their applications and in their critical services. So we are really in the business of helping people understand how their critical application infrastructure, whether it's a database, a web application, an SAP installation, or something else, is working in the real world, both from an availability point of view, how are they doing against their service levels, but also a performance point of view. Are they meeting their service levels? Do they have enough capacity? And really, is the infrastructure that they're running meeting the business purpose for which they put it in place in the first place?
Talk a little bit about your channel strategy. Are you working with VARs, integrators, managed service providers?
Yeah, absolutely. They're a huge part of the business that we do on a regular basis. We're obviously a pretty popular solution with service providers, in part because we integrate well and work with other tools in the sort of IT management ecosystem. And we're very much agnostic to the kind of tools that we work with, whether they're provisioning, change control, patch management, ticketing, other types of specialized monitoring tools. We'll work alongside and integrate with all of those kind of solutions. On the VAR side of things, we have a large number of VARs, particularly outside the US. In fact, all of our business outside of North America is done, via a channel strategy.
Are you primarily an on-premise solution or a SaaS solution? How does Groundwork actually work?
Yeah, that's a great question. So traditionally, we've been an on-premise or colo-based solution. We have our roots in sort of data center management. We're just about to celebrate our 7th anniversary. So, back when we were getting started at Groundwork, that's pretty much all there was.
Right.
I would say that's changed dramatically in the last 2 or 3 years. And we're working very closely with some pretty big service providers on their own cloud offerings.
Right.
Obviously, availability, performance, and visibility within these dynamic cloud infrastructures is really important. Without that level of visibility and control, you're really not going to fulfill your service level. We're also seeing a good number of our end customers, I would say at least half at this point, exploring clouds in one form or another, whether it's for cloud bursting, adding additional capacity beyond their internal resources, or just doing new deployments onto cloud-type infrastructures, whether it's something like Amazon or even an internal cloud built with something like a Eucalyptus or an OpenStack kind of solution.
All right, well, we look forward to hearing more throughout the year. Thanks for your time, Simon.
My pleasure, Joe. Great to talk to you.